Alrighty, tubes, there you go. You made me do it. You forced my hand. I had no choice but to buy one of these things. I was fortunate enough to get this one relatively cheap and in excellent condition. Unbelievable the shape this thing is in. I already gave you a look at it at the auction, but you know, it was tucked into a corner and you really couldn't see much. So let me give you a better look at this thing. Like I say, it's in really good shape. Excellent condition. Stickers and everything. Even the rubber. You check this out. There's a little rubber piece here for the lid. That's all good. Lift the lid up here. Even the little pieces of rubber here that meet the machine when it closes the lid. But everything is excellent. Let me take the, what do they call this thing? The swishy. Let me take the swisher out. I don't know if you can see how well you can see in there, but everything in there is in excellent shape. And the brass pieces, everything is tight. You know, I mean, this thing looks like it was hardly been used. There's a drain hole down there. Whoop. There we go. Drain hole. Put this back on. See, right now it's in gear. Don't turn. This here's the on-off switch. You see here, probably says it right on there. On, off. Then you switch it. This thing will spin. It goes swish, 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 swish. Now just keep doing that and making, cleaning your clothes. There you go. Not supposed to spin it like that. But it's in good shape. And here's the drain hose. These things are pretty simple back here. Talk about simplicity. You either filled it with a hose or buckets, and then this hose here is the drain. You held it up. When it was filling with water, you take this little dicky on the side here. Try to stay out of my shadow. A little dicky there just sits right in the hole, right there. And as long as that's above the water level, it's not going to drain. How's that for simplicity? And then the wringer, even the wringer is in excellent shape here. Here's the controls for this. Right now it's off, and then you got on. And what we got here? One's on, one's reverse for that wringer. And even that's in excellent shape. Let me open that up for you. Yeah, I mean the rubber could use some redoing, but I mean, look at the way that spins. I didn't oil this or grease this or anything yet. It's pretty tough doing this with one hand. There we go. But that's in good shape. Let me close the lid for you here. The Maytag lid. Here's the serial numbers on there. I don't know what year it is yet. I haven't researched it, but I'm sure with this number, pretty bright out here, pretty windy too. I'm using my external microphone with the little dead cat on it so you can hear, but some of you Maytag guys out there can look at that number and tell me exactly what year this is. I'm assuming it's from the 30s. It's been converted. Somebody converted it and did an excellent job. I don't know if this was a kit or what. It's a 1/4 horse motor that was put on a piece of wood. And even the wood, you know, somebody took the time to router the edges on it and stuff like that. And it's all lined up perfect and everything. The motor works. The fan belt is broke, or else I'd do a load of laundry for you. But that's, like I say, it's all in good shape. Everything, all the gears and the transmission, everything is excellent. Even this, let me see if I can do this with one hand. This here pushes down, and you can actually move this. Here you go. That moves and locks into the side there. That way you can open your machine up and take your stuff and send it right through. This keeps it from dripping all over the floor and everything. But it's in great shape. Just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Wait for my buddy Racer to come around and we'll clean it up a little. Maybe throw a load of laundry in there. Get a fan belt and throw a load of laundry in it. Let me show you the engine we're going to put on it. Alright, this here's what I'm going to put on there. This is Maytag 92. This one runs and everything. It's not restored yet, but maybe we'll restore. Maybe we'll just clean it up. I don't know. But this one here has a short base. I'm going to have to pick up a long base. You know, they're available. I see them on eBay. So I'll pick up a long base, and that should fit and just straddle them struts just between where that is. You know, I could rig up something and make a long base, but you know, why not do it right? Alright, so there you go. You guys asked and kept telling me to get one, so we did. My subscribers want it, they're going to get it. Let me see if we can put this thing back where it belongs. There we go. Look at that. Maytag Washing Machine. Alrighty. Enough of this. Yeah, that motor's a quarter horsepower, and it's 1725 RPMs. And the Maytag engine, I'm not sure, but I think they might be a 1 horse. I know the twins are 5/8 horse. I'm not sure. I'm sure somebody will correct me. But anyway, these only rotate about 1650 RPMs, 1650 RPMs. So that's pretty close. It's on wheels and everything, and rolls with no problem. I don't see anything wrong with it mechanically. Like I say, everything here is pretty good. It is missing a bolt, missing a nut on the end of that bolt, but other than that, it's all there. That's right. That's right, tubes. Maytag.